Hello everyone. Welcome back to Thrive Talk English. I'm Anaya. Today, I want to share something simple but deeply effective. Not a system that overwhelms you, not something you quit after a few days, just one method that quietly transforms how you speak. This is the 15-30-15 method. 15 minutes when your day begins, 30 minutes while your day moves, 15 minutes before your day ends. Only 1 hour a day. No pressure, no confusion. Just simple actions repeated daily. And that repetition trains your brain to speak. Because you don't need more time. You need a better system. And today, you won't just understand this method, you will see exactly how to use it in a way that you can actually follow. No theory, no complicated explanation, just real steps that you can do from today. Not by doing more, but by doing the right things at the right time in a simple, repeatable way. So let's begin with the most powerful part, your morning. The morning is not just a time, it is your hidden advantage. Your mind is clear, your thoughts are lighter, the world is still quiet. This is the moment when your brain absorbs faster, your fear becomes weaker, and your confidence begins to rise. So don't waste this moment. Don't scroll. Don't rush into noise. Instead, use these 15 minutes with intention. You don't need to do many things here. Just one small action, done with full attention. Take 5 words, not 50, just 5, and follow this pattern. First meaning, then thinking. Now, let me show you exactly how. Word number 1, intention. Meaning, a clear plan or purpose. Now think, my intention is clear. I want to improve my English every day. Today, I'm not learning randomly. I'm learning with intention. Word number 2, patience. Meaning, the ability to wait calmly. Now use it. I'm learning with patience. I don't rush my progress. Even if I make mistakes, I stay calm and continue. Word number 3, transform. Meaning, to change yourself. Now think. I'm transforming my speaking step by step every day. This small practice is changing me slowly. Word number 4, vision. Meaning, your future goal or dream. Now use it. I have a clear vision. I want to speak English confidently. I can see my future self speaking without fear. Word number 5, clarity. Meaning, clear thinking. Now think. Today, I choose clarity, not confusion. I want my thoughts to be simple and my English to be clear. See what you are doing? You are not memorizing words. You are thinking with them. Not fast, not perfect, just present. Because in the morning, you are not just learning English, you are setting your brain's direction. And when you do this daily, something powerful happens. Your brain starts the day in English, not translating but thinking. And that one small shift changes how you speak, changes how you respond, changes how you feel for the rest of the day. Now, let's move to the next step. Morning builds your thinking, but daytime builds your speaking. And this part you can't skip. You don't need a perfect time. Any moment works. When you are free, when you are alone, when you can speak. Just give 30 minutes to your voice. Because this is the moment you stop being a learner and start becoming a speaker. Now I speak using the same words. You already understood the words. You already thought in English. Now you bring them into your voice. And we follow a simple system. Question, answer, record. First ask yourself a question. Then answer it in simple English. And finally, record your voice. Let's do it together. Intention. What is my intention today? My intention is to practice English and improve my speaking. Speak, record. Why is patience important for me? Patience is important because I am learning slowly and improving every day. Say it clearly. Record. How can I transform my English? I can transform my English by practicing daily and speaking without fear. Speak, record. What is my vision? My vision is to speak English confidently in real life. Speak, record. Why do I need clarity? I need clarity to think better and speak without confusion. Speak, record. Now, make it more natural. Speak like this. Today, I start my work with intention. I stay patient when I make mistakes. I want to transform my speaking. My vision is to speak confidently. I need clarity in my thoughts. Perfect. Now we close the system with the most underrated part. The part that locks everything in your brain. Now, the final step. The last 15 minutes of your day. Night brain lock. Most people skip this part, and that's why they forget everything the next day. But you will do something different. You will install what you learned. Because nighttime, your brain is not learning actively. It is organizing. It is storing. It is strengthening memory. So don't overload your brain here. Don't start new topics. Instead, go back to what you already learned. Same words, same sentences, but now slower, deeper, calmer. Now I review and lock it in my brain. Take your 5 words again. Intention. Say it once. Feel the sentence. Let your brain absorb it. My intention is to improve my English. Patience. I am learning with patience. Transform. I am transforming my speaking every day. Vision. My vision is clear. I will speak confidently. Clarity. I choose clarity. I think in simple English. Now something important. Don't just repeat, visualize. Because your brain doesn't know the difference between real experience and clear imagination. So when you combine words plus emotion plus visualization, your brain stores it deeper. No pressure, no stress, just calm repetition before sleep. And when you wake up tomorrow, those same words won't feel new anymore. They will feel familiar, natural, yours. If you follow this system daily, your English will not stay the same. Something inside you will start shifting. The words you forget will start staying. The sentences you struggle with will start flowing. Because now you are not depending on one moment. You are training your brain again and again every day. Morning, you build understanding. Day, you build courage. Night, you build memory. And slowly, everything connects. Your mind becomes faster. Your voice becomes stronger. Your English becomes natural. And one day, you won't say, I am trying to speak. You will say, I can speak. No confusion, no hesitation, no fear. Just clarity, confidence, and flow. And if you truly want this, don't just watch this video. Start today. Make one simple promise. I will follow this for the next 7 days. And if you're serious about your English, subscribe to this channel. Because here, you don't just learn English. You build the habit to speak. Like this video so your mind remembers this matters. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss your daily practice. And now, I want to see your commitment. Comment below, I start today. Not for me, for your future self. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you in the next practice.